I cracked the UPSC Prelims examination 6 out of 6 times, scoring one of the highest marks in the Prelims examination multiple times. Guys, I'm not telling this to flex. I'm telling this because it was not about luck. Many candidates think that this is about luck. No guys, scoring high in the Prelims examination multiple times is about the right strategy. In today's video, I'm going to give you the strategy to reduce negatives in the Prelims examination. Guys, remember this, that every negative marks which you avoid, basically you gain marks in the Prelims examination. Guys, these days the cutoff is very low, so every single marks counts. So if you are unnecessarily getting a lot of negatives, then your chances of qualifying the Prelims examination will be very less. In this video, I'm going to give you 7 strategies to reduce negative marks in the Prelims examination. This is all practical strategies which I have used in my Prelims examination to score very high marks in the Prelims examination. So let us start this video, guys. So you can see here, first of all, what we have to do is that we have to understand the Prelims game. We have to understand the Prelims game and we have to play as per the Prelims game. Guys, many candidates, even after doing a lot of hard work, they are unable to crack the Prelims examination because they fail to understand the game of Prelims examination. Most candidates, what they think that they have to attempt everything in the Prelims paper. And that's the reason they get a lot of negatives and their cumulative marks is very low. Guys, remember this, you need not score or you need not solve 100 out of 100 questions in the Prelims examination. The cutoff these days is hardly 90 marks. The cutoff these days is hardly 90 marks, which is what? Effectively 45 questions. So you have to understand the mind game of Prelims, that Prelims is not about solving each and every question which is there in the question paper. Prelims is about selecting those doable questions and clearing the cutoff and avoiding those tough questions where you will get negatives. Most of the candidates who fail the Prelims examination, even after doing a lot of hard work, are those candidates who are not able to differentiate between which questions they have to attempt and which questions they have to leave. Guys, most of you must have watched cricket. In cricket, even the best batsman, does he hit all the balls outside the boundary? No. If the ball is bouncer, they just duck the ball. The ball is coming, bouncer. You don't have to hit the bouncer. Every ball you don't have to hit outside the boundary. Remember this cricket thing. Okay, you are a batsman and you don't have to hit all the balls. Without hitting all the balls, by leaving few balls, difficult balls, still you can make the century. So here also we will aim for 100 marks, which is century. Remember this, you can hit the century, like in cricket you can hit the century without hitting all the balls. Okay, so here also, without solving all 100 questions, without attempting all 100 questions, you can still get more than 100 marks. How? I'm going to tell you. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to share with you some of the 7 practical tips to reduce negatives in the Prelims examination. Watch till the end. This is a very important video. This video will save a lot of marks for each and every candidate. And guys, if you like this video, do share this video with your friends also. Okay, but you watch this till the end because this is very important. So guys, the very first reason why you get negatives, is what? You do not read the question carefully. 99% of the students who get more negatives, okay, 99% of the students who get more negatives are those students who are in a hurry. They are not reading the question carefully. And what you have to look carefully, let me tell you what. So guys, in many questions, in place of correct, they have incorrect. You can see this question regarding money bill, which of the following statements is not correct? Okay, so out of 100 questions, guys, okay, around 95 questions have correct options which is asked in the exam, but in 5 questions they're asking not correct. Okay, and if you do not read this carefully, so subconsciously what you are thinking, okay, they will ask correct only, so you will mark the correct statement. They're asking what? Regarding the money bill, which of the following statement is not correct? Not correct. Okay, this is the most important point you need to know when you read the question. When you read the question, look for this correct or not correct. Very important. I'm telling you, this is very important. Lot of students, they lose marks because they do not read the question carefully. They do not read the question carefully and they miss it. Okay, you can see here, not correct. So that is the first and the most important thing. Read the question carefully. Look what they're asking. They're asking correct statement or they're asking incorrect statement, and keep note of it if they're asking incorrect statement. Okay. Second thing is that read all the options. Okay. If you do not read all the options and you jump to the conclusion, then you will get it wrong. Let me explain you how. You can see this question. What is the term Levant region? What is the term Levant region? You can see 2 of the options have the same Mediterranean Sea. Option A and option D has same kind of thing, Mediterranean Sea. So if you are in hurry, what you will do? You will take the first option. You will not read even the last option. That is not very good in the prelims examination. Many times they will trap you. So always read all the options. Always you read all the options, then only you marks. For example, this right to vote. Is it fundamental right? Is it natural right? Is it constitutional right? Is it legal right? So generally what we do, we see the first option and we mark it. This is not right. Read all the options. Read all the options and then come to the conclusion. Again I'm saying, read all the options. Do not be in a hurry. Do not be in a hurry. You know, generally what happens is that whenever we are attempting the prelims paper, okay, and we are solving one question and we mark the answer and then we move to the second question. So many times what happens, while reading the new question, our mind is occupied to the previous question only. Okay, that is the biggest blunder. That is the biggest blunder. When you read the question, give your 100% attention to the question. For example, right now I'm talking to you. So my 100% attention, my 100% focus is in talking to you. My mind is not occupied in anything else. My mind is occupied with you. I and you. I am interacting with you. I am explaining this to you. I am not thinking what is happening in this world. I am not bothered about what is happening in this world. I am completely 100% with you. Similarly, you have to assume that this is your question. This is a new question and you have to be 100% with the question. You have to read the question carefully. Look for not correct and correct. What is it? And read all the options 1, 2, 3, 4 and then only jump to the conclusion. This is very important. This is very important. Okay guys. So this is the second thing, is not reading the options. Lot of questions guys, you can see not reading the options, you can get it wrong. You can see here. Right to vote I have already shown. Property rights, you can see legal right, fundamental right. You can get trapped very easily. You can get trapped very easily if you do not read all the options. Property rights, particularly guys in this fundamental right question. Okay, like for example, right to marry. Is it 19? Is it 21? You will get trapped if you do not read all the options. Please read all the options before you mark. So first thing is what? What is the first trick? First trick or first strategy is what? Read the question carefully. Do not be in a hurry. Do not be in a hurry. You just need 45 questions. The cutoff is not even 90 marks. You don't need 150. You don't need 200 marks. You just need 90 marks. Remember this. You just need 90 marks, and for 90 marks, what you need is high accuracy. You don't need to attempt all questions. You no need to attempt every question. You need high accuracy. Remember this. Okay. Next thing is trying to attempt everything. This is like a khujli. You know khujli? Itching. Okay, some people have an itching of attempting everything. Guys, do not have that itching. Do not have this itching inside the exam hall of attempting everything. Just because I have read something regarding River Ganga and now I have a question on River Ganga, even if I don't know, I will attempt it. This is the biggest mistake. Do not make this mistake. Some people are, oh, I have read something about it. I have read something about it. I have to attempt it. I have to attempt it. I'm getting that itching feeling. I have to attempt it. I have to attempt it. Do not do that. Control that itch. Control that itch. Do not attempt when you are not confident. If you are not confident, do not attempt. See, this is very, very critical. You can see this question. Yes, you might have known something about, okay, what is a major in army, what is a brigadier in army, but you may not know the complete information. Okay, please look at this question very carefully. I am telling you some information about these questions you may be knowing. Okay, for example, okay, I know where is Hundru Fall. I know where is Hundru Fall. Okay, because I am from this state. Okay, maybe you know where is Garsoppa Fall. You may be from this state, you know it, but you don't know this, you don't know this, but you know this. So now you have an itch. You have an itch to attempt this. Guys, such kind of table format questions, high chances that you will get it wrong. High chances you will get it wrong. Do not unnecessarily take risk. Again, I am saying, do not unnecessarily take risk. You can take risk. I'm not saying that you should never take risk. You should take risk, but not in the first round. Not in the first round. If in the first round only you start taking blind guesses, then guys, I can tell you, no one can help you in cracking the prelims examination. Remember this. Prelims examination is not only about knowledge, it is about temperament. Prelims examination is not only about knowledge, it is about your attitude. Prelims examination is not about only knowledge, it is about common sense. How to differentiate what to attempt, what not to attempt, how to let it go. Guys, we do not want to let it go. We have to let it go. Guys, there is a saying in English that if you want something more, you have to let it go what you have with you. Okay, I'm just explaining this philosophy. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, so you want something big. You want something big. Okay, but you already have something in your hand. But you want something big. So first you have to let it go. Then only you can catch the bigger thing. Similarly, think that this question is there in front of you. If I don't let it go, the next question, which will be an easier question, I am losing that. Next 10 questions may be an easier question. Suppose this is question number 69. Let us see. This is question number 69. And I know something about this, something about one option, two option, I know it. But I do not know the complete information. But I'm attached to it now. I'm attached to it now. I don't want to let it go. I want to attempt it. Guys, if you want to attempt it, you'll lose a lot of time, and maybe question number 70, maybe question number 71, maybe question number 72, maybe question number 73. All 4 questions are very easy question. They are waiting for you. When are you going to come and attempt me? But you are occupied with this question. You are unnecessarily wasting in this question, and you do not have the time for the easy questions which are waiting for you. Guys, remember this. Questions are waiting for you. The questions which you have not read. Easy questions are waiting for you. When will you come and mark me correctly? Guys, remember this. Do not engage with each and everything. Guys, in our life, we meet so many people. In our life, we meet so many people. Okay. Every people you don't set up relationship. Every people you don't set up relationship. Similarly, in the examination, you will meet 100 questions. Every question you don't have to attempt it. You have to only attempt it those questions which are friendly to you. You have to only attempt it those questions which are not intimidating to you. Okay. If some questions are intimidating questions, means they are fearful questions, leave it. Do not interact with them. Do not interact with them. Leave it, guys. There are 98 questions waiting for you. There are 97 questions waiting for you. Why the hell you want to attempt every question? Why the hell you want to attempt every question? These questions, there are high chances that if you do not have the complete information, you may get it wrong. Why? Because you see, so many factual data are required. So many factual data are required. You get it wrong. Remember this, guys. In life, you don't have to do friendship with everyone you meet. You want to do friendship with only those people whom you are comfortable with. Remember this. Okay. Next. Not knowing the elimination technique. This is the biggest thing, guys. Most of the candidates, though they do not apply the tricks in the exam. They have gone through a lot of videos. They have gone through a lot of videos, but when it comes to application part of it, people are not able to apply. Why? Because they do not practice. That's why I say, guys, practice lot of elimination techniques. Guys, in my test series, which I am running, okay, my lecture series, every day I am giving 10 questions. Every day I am giving 10 questions for my 2026 batch. And in every day I am incorporating at least 4 to 5 questions where you can implement in elimination techniques. Okay guys, this is very, very important. Practice is very important. So see this question guys, with reference to polyethylene tetraphthalate, the use of which is now so widespread in our daily lives. Consider the following statements. Okay, its fiber can be blended with wool. Can be blended with wool. Okay, scientific questions. And can, correct. Containers made of it can be used for any alcoholic beverage. Any alcoholic beverage. Any, incorrect. Any is an extreme word. Bottles made can be recycled. Can be recycled. Science question, science statement, correct. Articles made of it can easily be disposed without causing any emission. Without causing any emission. Extreme word. Delete that. So the answer is what? Statement 1 and statement 3. Similarly, guys, see this question with reference to astrosats. Okay. Only country. Extreme word. Factual data. Incorrect. The answer is neither 1 nor 2. Okay. So application of elimination techniques is a must. Without that, it is very difficult for you to reduce your negatives and you to increase your accuracy. Okay, very difficult guys. If you want to improve your accuracy, if you want to improve your marks, if you want to improve your overall score in the examination, you have to learn elimination techniques. Guys, I have taught all the elimination techniques. You can go to my PYQ mastery classes or you can watch my YouTube videos also. They are very, very useful and they will really, I'm telling you guys, you know, I'm telling you, there is one student, okay, suppose he studies for last 2-3 years and he's not even getting what, 70 marks, 75 marks, because these just cutoff is just 80-85 marks. And just by elimination techniques, just by mastering elimination techniques, if you are able to score 10-15 marks more, can you imagine the power of elimination techniques? You are studying for 2-3 years and you are not even scoring 70 marks, and just by elimination techniques mastering, you get 10-20-15 marks. Can you imagine? Just think about it, what I'm telling. People are spending lakhs and lakhs and lakhs and lakhs and lakhs and lakhs of rupees staying outside, okay, going to various places, Delhi, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Kolkata. They are going to metro cities to do coaching, okay, and after that also they are struggling to crack prelims examination. If you just master my techniques, if you just go my predicted questions, if you just go through my Optima cards, my predictions, I can tell you 20, 30, 40 marks easily you will boost, sir. That is the power of Optima. That is the power of prediction. That is the power of elimination. And I give you that power. And with that power, you will easily crack the prelims examination, guys. Okay, let us move on to the next question, guys. Next trick. Okay, next strategy was don't apply elimination technique in a haste. Many people, sir, they are in a hurry. Hurry. Okay, hurry. Hurry. No need to hurry in life, guys. Hurry. Hurry. No need to hurry. जल्दी नहीं है भाई. ट्रेन नहीं पकड़ना है. बस नहीं पकड़ना है. Remember this. No train, no bus is waiting for you. Okay, you don't have to catch a train. You don't have to catch a bus. Don't be in a hurry. Be patient. Be attentive. Give 100% to the question. Apply all elimination techniques in the question. Let us see this question. So many people, what they do, the mistake is that they blindly follow the elimination technique. So what they will say, sir, fact is there, they will cut this. Highest is there, they will cut this. And they'll just implement something and they will mark some question and they'll say, sir, I applied elimination technique, I got it wrong. Obviously, you will get it wrong, guys. You are applying in a haste. See, all the tricks, there are so many tricks. See, you have to apply essence of that trick. Remember this, in life, you don't have to vomit it, whatever you have studied. You have to assimilate it, and then you have to produce it with wisdom. Again, I repeat myself. In life, you don't have to just vomit what you consume. You have to assimilate it into a wisdom, and then you have to take a decision. So there are so many tricks. You have to apply all the tricks. Not one trick, not two trick, not three trick. All the tricks you have to apply. Because in every question, all tricks will not work. Again, I repeat. In every question, all tricks will not apply, guys. I hope you get it. Okay. So there are not one trick, there are not two tricks, there are not three tricks. There are so many tricks. If you apply them half-heartedly, if you apply them half tricks and you don't know other tricks, then you can get it wrong also. This is a prime example. This question is a prime example. Okay. So don't hurry in exam. Don't be in a haste. You will get it negative. This is a prime example. In my YouTube video, I have explained this, how to eliminate this. You can go and watch that video. Next, don't take blind guesses in history. Guys, nowadays, what students are doing, even history questions, they are doing blind guesses. Don't do it, guys. Unnecessarily, particularly in the first round, no need to do it. See, these are single line questions. Single line question, what will you eliminate? These are factual questions. These are factual questions. What are you going to eliminate that? Unnecessary, don't take blind guesses. Okay, Pumpuhar, Korkai, what will you eliminate? These are factual questions. You need what here? What do you need to solve this question? This question, I had predicted in my YouTube video 6 months or 3 months before the exam. Pumpuhar. If you remember, how many of you have remembered this? I predicted this question before the exam. These are factual stuff, guys. Only you can do through predictions. I predict every year so many questions in the prelims examination. I hope you know that. And you must be using it. Still, if you want my predicted questions, still you can get it. Okay. Next. Okay. Again, you see, avoid blind guesses in map-based question. Many people in map-based question, they'll start eliminating options here. Guys, how can you eliminate options here? These are factual questions. Map-based question, factual questions. Guys, last year, I had exactly predicted all map questions. Guys, map section is one of the most scoring section in the prelims examination. Map section is one of the most scoring section in the prelims section, guys. And I have prepared one of the best compilation as far as mapping is concerned. I hope you are using it. These are some of the Optima cards. You can have a look at it. If you need them, still you can use them. IR cards, geography cards, then species cards, they are very, very useful. Okay. So do not apply in such question, guys. You will be wasting your time. You will be wasting your time. You will be also getting a lot of negatives. Don't take blind guesses in such kind of questions. Okay. Okay. Species question also. Don't take blind guess. Species question also. Unnecessarily don't take blind guess. Okay. Now, incorrect application of elimination technique. This is one of the most important thing. Incorrect application. Okay. For example, guys. Okay. Many people, largest. Sir, largest is extreme word. I will eliminate that. No, guys. You have to have some common sense also. This was given in our Optima card. Venezuela has the largest oil reserves. Okay. Here you can see here and complex statement. This was incorrect. Okay. Similarly, guys, here enormously and here also enormously. Many people will say all enormously is wrong. No, sometimes enormously can be correct also. Here, forex reserves have increased enormously. Forex reserves has increased enormously after 1991 economic reforms. If you blindly just go and eliminate everything, then you will land in trouble. Okay, then you are going to land in trouble. So that's why, guys, if you want me to make a video on traps, what are the various traps which UPSC sometimes put, let me know. I will show you with PYQs, exact PYQs, what kind of traps UPSC make. I'll make a video. Next video will be on that. Okay, guys. So you can see this incorrect application of elimination technique is also very big mistake. Now, Next is OMR filling. This is one of the most important thing, OMR filling. See, my request to every one of you is that do not keep OMR for the end. Do not keep OMR for the end. Solve it, mark it, solve it, mark it, solve it, mark it, solve it, mark it, solve it, mark it. That is my request. If suppose you don't want to do that, then what you do? 10 questions, okay? You put dot, 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 solve, put 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 dot. 10 questions you solve, you put dot, dot, then you fill all the 10 questions. Then again 10 questions you solve, put dot, 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 then you fill all the 10 questions. Then you move like this. But again I am saying, do not keep the OMR for the end. Again I repeat, do not keep the filling of OMR till the end. Try to do simultaneously. If you do not want every question filling, okay, you solve 10 questions. While solving 10 questions, suppose, let me just show you. Okay, this is basically, I'll just show you guys. Okay, suppose this is question page, one page is there. This second page, here 1 to 4 question, 4 to 8 questions. Okay, so what I will do, I'll solve one question, I'll just put dot. Solve second question, I'll put dot. Solve third question, I'll put dot. Fourth question, I'll put dot. 5, 6, 7, I'll put dot. Once I solve 8 questions, then I'll go there, I'll fill the OMR. 8 questions I have done. Now again next 8 questions I will solve. Dot, 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 read pot, read dot, read dot, read dot, read dot, read dot, then fill all the dots. Then again next 8 questions. Do not keep OMR for the end. You will be in a hurry, then you will get buried. Last, time management. This is also very, very important. I never had this problem of time management in General Studies paper 1 paper. Okay, because I was very comfortable with my basics. I was very comfortable with the current affairs. But I am seeing many students are having problem in GS1 also, time management problem. So for them, what I will say is that have various rounds. At least round 1 and round 2. At least 2 rounds. If there is 3 rounds, that is also very good. But at least 2 rounds. Round 1, just only solve those questions where you are confident. Do not waste time. Do not waste time in round 1. Try to read all 100 questions as soon as possible and mark, read, mark, read, mark, read, mark, read, mark, read, mark. If 30 questions you are able to solve in the first round, all 100 questions, 30 questions also you will solve, then you will definitely crack the prelims examination. Do not over invest time in round 1. Do not over invest time on any question in the round 1. Again I repeat, do not over invest question in any question in round 1. Round 2 you start eliminating options. And while solving round 1, whenever you see, okay, this question needs elimination, you can just tick it. So that in round 2 you can directly go to those questions. Okay, I'll tell how to attempt the paper. If you want me to make a video, I'll make a video on that, complete video on that. So 2 videos I can make. You can in the comment box let me know if you want those videos all now. So basically this was the overall strategy. I'll just sum up. First strategy was what? First strategy was to read the question carefully. Look for not. Read all the options. Second was do not apply elimination techniques in haste. Do not apply elimination technique incorrectly. Okay, these are some of the tricks. Okay, if you make these mistakes, then you will never clear the prelims examination. Avoid blind guesses. Do not make blind guesses. Okay, so guys, if you like this entire video, my discussion, if you like it, guys, do consider liking this video and sharing this with your friends and keep watching my videos. These are very, very useful for the prelims examination, and thanks for the encouragement which you are showing for these videos. God bless you guys. Best of luck.